Can you say please? Good, please. Can you sit down with it? Nora, sit down with your cracker. Good girl. Now can you say thank you, Mama?
Good.
Good job. Thank you. Oh, Daddy says good job, Nora. That was so nice. Such good manners. Go show him. Go show Dad your cracker. Oh, and your drumsticks, too. Go show him. Num num. Can you say cracker? Good. Can you do fishy cracker? Good. Here's a fishy cracker. Can you say thank you? Good. That was so nice. Is that num num?
Num num.
Num num. Okay, sit down. Sit down. I'm gonna give you some more. Please. Please. Good. There you go. You're so funny. Oh. Thank you. Thank you, Grandma. Good girl. Okay, that's the last one.